Over on the left side of the track, you will see a big brick house with a straw roof. And outside of it, you will see one of our uncle eaters. Yes, normally on every other day they're ant eaters, but today they decided to be uncle eaters.
吸兽可能。
好大个树啊
However, they don't only eat aunts and uncles. They're capable of eating every member of your extended family. It's a good thing we have them contained, otherwise we'd all be in big trouble. Anyways, as we were approaching to the station, I was just asked to inform everybody that we have a few diggers to the side that somebody seems to have left behind. If these are your diggers, please come to the front office and claim them. We will return them to you. Now, as we approach the station again, I would like to thank you all for riding with me today. If you enjoyed this ride, my name was Aiden, and I am very happy to have you. If you did not enjoy this ride, my name was Harold. Thank you all for riding with me here today. Hope you all have a great rest of your day at the San Diego Santa Ana Zoo. Goodbye now.
Thank you. 哦，当走喽。